Hello students, welcome you all to this Vedic math classes. So students, today it is our video lecture number 9, and today we are going to discuss about subtraction. Okay, and this video will go on in English version. Okay, so previously we have already done the addition part, and today we are going to start our 9th video lecture where we are going to discuss about subtraction. Now students, in subtraction, let me write here. Okay, so basically in this subtraction part you have done many subtraction in traditional methods also, but there, what are the problems? The problems are you have to remember whether some carries are there or not. Many things are there, so you have to remember all these things, you have to calculate. Okay, but in this method students, this is the very first class or very basic class of this subtraction, so we should know some terminologies. So first terminology is about complements. Okay, complements. What is a complements? Okay, or what is complement? So basically students, you have already known that we have some basic numbers. Basic numbers means in the very first introduction class we have already discussed that 10 numbers are there starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, these numbers, these 10 numbers or 10 digits we are called as base 10. Okay, so these are nothing but our base 10 numbers. Okay, now in this base 10 student, we should know that what is the complement of these numbers. Okay, complement means what students? So we are going to discuss about complement. Okay, complement means that if we take any number, let us suppose that if we take number 1, so what is the complement of this number 1? So the complement of this number 1 will be number 9. Now you are asking that how do we know that what is the complement of this number? So students, very basic rule is there. If these two number, if the number and the complement of the number, these two number must give a result of 10. That means if we add these two number 1 plus 9, we should always get a 10. Okay, so similarly, if I ask you that what is the complement of number 2, you can easily tell me that complement of number 2 is 8. Okay, because we have already known what, that 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. Clear? 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. Okay, good. So 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. Okay, so complement is nothing but that the number, and if we subtract the number from number 10, then we get the complement of that number. Similarly, I can tell that if I ask you students that what is the complement of number 2, so what we have to do, simply we have to subtract that number from 2. So 10 minus 2 means 8, and you can see here that the complement of number 2 is number 8. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Okay, so total 10 digits are there, and in every digit there is a complement. Okay, so you can see here in this worksheet it is clearly given. So what is the complement of 1? Complement of 1 is 10 minus 1, which is 9. Okay, what is the complement of 2? Complement of 2 is 10 minus 2, that is 8. What is the complement of 3? Complement of 3 is 7. Complement of 4 is 6. Complement of 5 is 5 itself, because 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. What is complement of 6? Complement of 6 should be 4. Complement of 7 is 3. Complement of 8 is 2, and complement of 9 is 1. Okay, so you can see here students that these are all the numbers and its complements. Okay, so I hope this complement portion is clear. Okay, that which number is, or if I ask you that tell me the complement of this number, so you can easily tell. Okay, now students, nextly the fact that we are going to discuss, that is about natural subtraction. Okay, natural subtraction. Now what do you mean by natural subtraction? So students, normally what we are doing, normally if any subtraction we are taking, such as that 10 minus 8, okay, or you can say 7 minus 2, or I can write that 21 minus 13. Okay, so all this kind of subtraction, you can see one thing, that this is the big number or big digit which is there in upward. Okay, and this is the small number or small digit which is just below the big digit. So we can do the subtraction. So any kind of system or any kind of thing, or in naturally or traditionally, if we subtract the small digit from the big digit, that means big digit number, if we subtract from a small digit number, then this type is called as natural subtraction. Okay, natural subtraction, this is nothing but a natural subtraction. Clear? So big digit number should be subtracted from a small digit number. And the same thing, that means this type of examples, that 10 minus 8, 7 minus 2, okay, 21 minus 13, where we subtract small digit from the big digit, these numbers are called as match combination. Okay, so match combination means what? Just have a look, that if we have this kind of example, that let us take that 6 minus 3 example. Okay, 6 minus 3, so you can see here one big digit is there, one small digit is there. So this type of subtraction we call it as match combination. Okay, match combination. Now the opposite, if the opposite happens, opposite means if I want to subtract 6 from 3, now this kind of thing, you can see that small digit is there and big digit is there. Okay, this kind of subtraction we call it as mismatch. Okay, mismatch combination. Clear? So two types of combinations are there, one is match combination, another is mismatch combination. So match combinations are that type of combination where we subtract, or the traditional subtraction. Okay, the big digit is there, we subtract the small digit from the big digit, that type of combination we call it as match combination. But mismatch combination is where we subtract the big digit from the small digit. Okay, that type of subtraction we call it as mismatch combination. So basically match combinations are the natural subtractions. Okay, match combinations are the natural subtractions. So let us take an example, that if I take any number, that you can say 9, 3, 6 and 2, 2, 9. Okay, if we subtract these two numbers, so you just have a look, that 9 minus 2, you can see this is nothing but a match combination. 3 minus 2, it is also a match combination, but 6 minus 9, this is a mismatch combination. Okay, now you can see here students, that here many numbers are there, but we have to choose, that whether they are match combination or mismatch combination. So you can see that 2 minus 1 definitely is a match combination, 3 minus 2 it is also a match combination, 4 minus 3 also match combination. Okay, so you can solve this worksheet, very easy one. Okay, one more worksheet is there, you can see 3 minus 5, this is a mismatch combination. 6 minus 5, it is also a mismatch combination. Okay, so by solving this worksheet, you can easily get to know that what is match or mismatch combination and what is complements of a number. Okay, So that's all for this introduction video, students. Okay, in our next video we will start new things related to subtraction. Thank you.